Hi everybody, welcome back to Baking with Herb. Today we're going to do some pumpkin oatmeal cookies with a dip and icing. In our bowl, we're going to go in with 1.5 cups of flour, a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Here I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and a half teaspoon of ginger. Now we'll just get that well combined. All right, now into our mixer, we're gonna go in with 12 tablespoons of softened butter, 1 cup of sugar, white sugar, and we're gonna go ahead and mix that, cream it till it's light and fluffy. All right, we're all light and fluffy, so now we're gonna go in with 1 egg. Mix that up. Now we're gonna go ahead and dump our dry ingredients in and give that a mixy mix. Now we're gonna go in with 3/4 cup of 100% pumpkin puree, 1 3/4 cup of oats, and a half a cup of chopped nuts. I'm using almond. You can use whatever kind you would like. Now we're going to mix and combine all this very well. This is what we want our mixture to look like. Looks and smells so good already. Now I have my pan here with some parchment paper. I got my 1-inch scoop, and we're just going to scoop this out onto the sheet. And then we're gonna put it in a 375-degree oven, and we're gonna bake them from 14 to 15 minutes. Into the oven they go. Okay, our cookies baked for 14 minutes, and now we're gonna make the icing. They're all done and cooling. Into a mixer, let's put in 11 tablespoons of butter, 2/3 cup to be exact. Let's hit it with 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Let's go ahead and cream that together. Now we're going to go in with 4 cups of powdered sugar and 1/3 cup of milk. We're going to mix that until it's in a good consistency. And there we have it. That's our icing. All right, now I'm just going to dip each cookie. This is what our cookies look like, came out like. They look so good. Gonna dip each cookie into this till it looks like that. Okay, every cookie has been coated. Now we're gonna take pumpkin spice mix, pumpkin pie spice, blah, and we're gonna dust that all over the top. Now we're gonna let these rest for a little bit, and we'll try one. Time to try one of our oatmeal pumpkin iced cookies.